Hi guys, thank you for clicking the video link for the electronic pick today. Today we're going to review the URC7690, the Universal Remote Commander. You can see this device here. It's a pretty looking device. It's a very nice device, I should say. I had it for about 3 months and I never run out of batteries on this one, and it's not too heavy as well. It's light, fairly light, just like any other remote commander. Even though it has 4 AAA batteries inside, it doesn't feel that heavy. Okay, and the company One for All, they claim that the battery would last for about a year. That's about 12 months. So that's pretty good for me. I think it's pretty good for everyone for that matter. Nowadays we need these kind of devices, universal commanders, so that we don't have to use many remotes. The usage part, I am very happy with this, and I should say this device had helped me a lot. I got rid of all my other remotes. One of the other features that this has, that it's got a learning feature. So basically you can keep a remote commander just next to it like this, so it learns from your remote. Any function on your remote which you need to pass it on to this particular remote or configure it to this remote, it easily does it without any hassle. This device aesthetically is pretty good. You can see the sides, it's a chrome finish. Doesn't get scratches mostly, you know, if you are using it a little carefully. But then it is, again, it's not metal though, it's plastic and it's coated, right? So you can see the logo here as well. And another thing I'd like to mention is it's a fairly big the IR port here, the IR transmission port. The difference between the other remote commanders is that we have 2 IR transmitters inside. So you don't have to necessarily point to the particular device you want to control. You could actually hold it like this way, or you know, any way for that matter. Sometimes it works you know, in most of the ways. Very good device. I'm really happy with it. This has been bought from Amazon for about 1,000 rupees. It can control 6 devices at a time. The LED lights up for a couple of seconds when you select the particular device. For example, I have configured a few devices here. Let's see this. Okay, the TV, you can see it's lit up and it goes off after a couple of seconds. Then this is the set-top box, STB, and then the DVD, amplifier and gain. So in this game mode, I have configured my subwoofer actually, so it works pretty well. I didn't have any issues with that. It can control 6 different devices. Another thing is that there is a nice blue ring here. You can see that. Let's see, yeah. And that's a very nice looking blue ring. It's very attractive. The back of the device, it's like it's got a good grip when you hold it. It doesn't fall off easily from your hands. This is a rubberized matte finish. What you have here doesn't get too dirty or scratches. You don't see any scratches here. So that's about all about this device. We give it an overall rating of 8 out of 10. The only con I found on this particular device is that if I have to select a particular device from the list of 6 devices, you know, I have to sequentially go from each device. See, for example, if I had from TV, if I have to select amp, I have to go like this, or let's say if I'm again on TV, if I go backwards like this. So that sequential path to select the device is the only con I found, and I don't think it's much of an issue, but yeah, I find it a little time consuming sometimes. You know, I just have to, if I have to select amp, if I miss it by one click or one press of a button, again I have to roll over again and you know, select it, right? So that's the only con I found, except that it's a pretty good device. I don't have any complaints. Well, thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll come up with more reviews in the future. And please do subscribe. If you like, please give a thumbs up. I thank you all again for watching. Bye.